Finding the good bullet mold for the original Lorenz rifle is not an easy task. I also had to ask a friend of mine to make a mold that drops exactly the same 28 gram 13.7mm diameter compression bullets that was designed for these rifles in the 18th century. The original Lorenz cartridge held 55 grains of fine black powder and a bullet wrapped in paper. The cartridge was lubricated on the outside with a mix of beeswax and tallow. The land-to-land diameter of the bore was 13.9mm, so the 0.2mm gap between the bore and the bullet was filled with the greased paper patching. I'd like to show you now how I replicate the original bullet patch loop system. To apply the patches, you need to glue them to the bullet, so put a few spoons of flour into a cup of water and stir it well. The paper patching must run in 2 layers around the bullet, so first make some measurements to determine the exact paper length you need. Once you know the desired size, make a sample and cut as many sheets as many bullets you have. Now it's time to soak them into the water you prepared. Now wrap your bullet carefully without damaging the paper. The paper must be tight on the bullet, without any wrinkles. Now it's time to twist the end in the direction of the folding. Be careful not to tear the soaked paper. Shorten the tails and put your bullets in a warm place and let them dry completely. Once they are dry, the paper will tighten on the bullet. Now it is time to check the diameter. If the result is not 13.9mm, you must play with the thickness of the paper you used. If it is okay, let's lube it. I use my normal musket lube made from beeswax tallow and 0W40 synthetic engine oil. Let it cool and cut off the remaining tails. And there you go, your original Lorenz bullets are ready to fire. If you want to replicate the original muzzle velocity as well, you will need to reach the 375 meters per second with your charge.